That's what they always say before they throw the catch fire. You have to scatter.
The guy fell in the fire. There's also nyini zetu liko kati.
So how motherfucking convenient?
Some guy carry no, you know how they give to the lumbe. Yongera kwa ndo naanza nyako lumbe.
8